Hello everybody, I am Teacher Casey and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you something cool that I got my grandbaby for Christmas, and I had never heard of it before, so I'm wondering if many of you have heard of it, or maybe if you're a grandma like me looking for a really cool Christmas gift, you might find this awesome. This is not an affiliate. I would love it if they wanted me to be an affiliate for them because I think these are going to be awesome. But I did put affiliate links below, which are to Amazon. So let's just get started. This is the Toniebox. It is so cute. It kind of feels squishy. Not really snuggly, but like it's padded. These little ear looking things up here are the volume. And all you do is you buy these little things called Tonies, and they have Disney. I may have bought him a lot of Disney or like books from my classroom because, I mean, let's face it, that's just what I'm used to and just something I find fun. So I have Aladdin here. You just stick it on the top. To pause it, you take it off. Super cool. I'm going to add a different one so the same song doesn't play because nobody wants a copyright. A little cat in the hat. So you put the cat in the hat on, or you put the Tony on top, and to fast forward, all you do is tilt it one way. If I want to rewind, I tilt it the other way. So I'll take that off so you can hear me. So rewinding, easy as that. If you want to skip to the next chapter, you just give it a tap on the side, or if you want to rewind a chapter, you tap on the other side. That's pretty much it. These are volume buttons, up and down. They do have something to do with when you're setting up the Wi-Fi as well. So there's an app with this. And some cool features about the app that I learned today was you can actually set the volume. So whatever you allow your child to have as a max volume, you can set it in the app. I just thought they were so cute. You buy these little Tonies. Most of them that I found were about $17.99. The box and the starter kit was about $100. So this, and you get a Tony with it, was about like $99.95 or something like that on Amazon. But they did have different kits. So for like $129, you could get a couple different Tonys with it, or $140. You could get a mix. So I'll just show you the Tonys I got for him, and some that he'll get on Christmas. We did an early Christmas. We do it with my parents on Thanksgiving. So that's why he already has this. But we have Eric Carle.
The Very Hungry Cat by Eric Carle.
And it tells a story.
Read for you by Kevin R. Free.
So hopefully there'll be a clip in here of my grandson changing his Tonys out, and he gets so excited. And he's only like 16 months. So it's easy for a 1.5-year-old to do it all the way up. I would say the research that I've done say about up until they're about 8. There's National Geographic they can use and all of that. So I believe this is the one that came with the starter. So super cute. Also, they have a Tony. I wanted to show you my screen. They have a Tony that is called Creatives. And I'd like to show you that because I think it would be great for military children, because you can have someone read a story to the child or to your students, or a grandmother. You can have them record themselves reading, and then that will go to the child. So you can see here's the Tony website and holiday Tonys. I didn't even go to the holiday Tonys and look at them yet. Cute, Elf on the Shelf. You can see these are $19.99. Oh, $11.99. Oh, the snowman and the snow dog. Oh, I should not have come back and look at these. So you can see here's the Toniebox that I just showed you. That one's $99.99. I got mine at Barnes & Noble. So I would do some research and find where it's the cheapest for you. If Amazon is, please use my link. That'll help me. It doesn't cost you any more. But the one I wanted to show you was the Creatives. Let's see. I had it up here at one point, but I think I moved stuff around. There we go. All right, so I saw this 20% off site-wide. This is as of December 6th. So I'm not sure if it'll still be on sale when you guys get to it. So anyway, the creatives. I'm a little distracted today. I'm sure you're used to it, but you know, creative Tonys. Here we go. It was super easy. I just made it harder than it has to be. So these are the ones that you can record on. And I think that's amazing. Look at the little Yeti. Oh, so cute. So if I had a child, maybe a military, we've always called them military brats. I'm sure that's not the name anymore. A military child and my spouse was deploying or somebody was deploying, I think I would have them read a story or sing songs or something so that the child can have a little comfort while they're gone. So that's what I thought of when I saw these. But the Tonys are about $9.99 and they're super cute. You can get all different ones. I just find it so cute. All right, shop all Tonys. Guys, there are tons of Tonys. New ones, tons of Disney, Nickelodeon, you name it. Like I said, this is the first time I've seen them for $19.99. The rest I've seen $17.99. I got 101 Dalmatians for $14.99. That was on Amazon. Also, I got Chicka Chicka Boom Boom coming, and they have a white noise one and bedtime lullaby, so I've got those coming for him as well. All right, everybody, so that is the Toniebox set with some Tonys. We just put them in a little thing. Oh, and so he does have this little box, and I did order him a Tony's carrying case. There are so many fun Tonys here for Amazon. Oh, look, Bear Hunt's $14.99. I do want to tell you that you want to check how long they are, because some can be 15 minutes, some can be 60 minutes. So if you think you're getting a good deal of $14.99, you may be, but it may be a shorter one. Oh, Monsters Inc. I could get these all day long. They are so cute. What I wanted to show you is I bought him a carrying case like this to put all his Tonys, that one's cute, to put all his Tonys in and be able to take it with him places. He has taken it to my house already. I think I got him one similar to this, but not this one. So, and then I linked this one below just as an example, but there are tons and tons of fun Tonys on here, so I just wanted to show you. Super cute. Okay, everybody, I just wanted to let you know one more thing about the Tonys. This is a tip that I saw on another YouTube video, and I thought it was important and fun to know. So when you get your Toniebox, if you are giving it as a gift, before you wrap it, maybe take it out of the box, charge it a little bit, set it up with Wi-Fi and all of that stuff, because once they open it, they're going to want to try it. And if you don't have it all set up ready to go, you could be fumbling around trying to figure it all out, and it would just be a lot easier and a lot more fun for the child if you have it all set up. So just my quick little tip there. That is all I have for you today. If you have questions, please put them below and I will look into it if I don't have an answer for you. That's it. All right, everybody. Have a great night and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.